Hello everyone, welcome back to Google Sheet Pro. In today's video, I am going to show you how to create a scatter chart in Google Sheets. Scatter charts are great for showing relationships between two variables, so let's get started. First, you need to select the data you want to include in your scatter chart. Then, make sure to highlight both the columns, one for x-axis and one for the y-axis. Next, with your highlighted data, go to the top menu and click on Insert. Then from the drop-down menu, select Chart. Google Sheets will generate a default chart, but we are going to change that. In the chart editor on the right side of your screen, look for the chart type drop-down. Click on it and select Scatter Chart. Your chart will update to display the data points as a scatter plot. Finally, you can adjust the scatter chart to fit your needs. Just drag it to the desired location on your sheet and reset it by pulling the corners. And there you have it, a scatter chart that clearly shows the relationships between your two variables. And that's all there is to it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Google Sheet tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.